Hi there, Melody from WTI. Now, if you appreciate fashion and functionality, then you're going to love these rugged work boots from MooseLog. These steel toe work boots from MooseLog are made for more than just walking. Because they are ASTM and CSA certified, you know that you're going to have the confidence to work in whatever you need to, walk wherever you need to, and not have a worry at all. My husband loves wearing these all day long, and everything he does, he slips them on, and because they are so comfortable, he uses them whether he's outside, inside the shop, doing renovations, whatever the case may be. He loves these boots. Both the insole and the outsole are very well made. They are breathable, they absorb shock, and because they are so flexible, it allows for the natural foot movement, which contributes to the comfort. And with the choice of either black or brown and so many different sizes, I know this is going to be your next work boot. And that's our point of view.